Do you like gaming? Do you like no-code development? How about a merger of both? I just created this game, vibe coding, on a new platform called Rosebud Ai. It took a matter of minutes. This is a remix of a game that someone else made, but I added some logic to keep score. I got 4 seconds left. Let's see what my high score is. And there it is. I hit 7 out of 20 targets. Thousands of games in here. All of these are vibe coded using a no code editor that's built into the platform. Let's just jump into it. I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to show you how to make a game, how to remix somebody else's games, starting from scratch. It's super fun. I've been kind of hooked, and I've been spending the last couple hours playing with this. So if you wanted to make a game, if you wanted to learn how to do gaming in 3D, 2D, puzzle games, you name it, all the categories are here. You can all do it now with no code using this platform. I can't wait to show you what the power of this is. So if you've wanted to make games, but you don't know where to start, you don't know how to use Cursor or Replit or any of those other tools, these guys put it onto their own platform, and it does work. I've made 3 games so far. Actually, I lied. I made 2, 4, 5 games so far, and they do work well. Let's jump into it. We're just gonna play a few of these, and there is definitely some great ones. Press up and down arrow to start. This is all done with no code. What? Okay, okay. Oh, I remember this game on NES. All right, let's try something 3D. Let's go. Let's actually sort some of these. Let's go puzzle, RPG, Web3, loading, flight simulator. Look at this. What? Get out of here. Okay, hold on. How do I control this? Oh my God. I'm gonna do one more. Let's try the shooter. But here's the best part of this, is you're able to remix your own versions. Oh, what? This is so clean. Got movement. Yeah, this is super dope. Look at the speed, the frame rate, everything. Oh, this is like 007. Oh! Come get some. Come get some. Headshot, headshot, headshot. Vibe coded 007. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. You don't have to smoke. So let's actually make our own. Okay, so my idea for a game is a reaction game. Speed and reaction. Think like Duck Hunt with ducks flying, but it's all about reaction time and accuracy. So here's my prompt. Let's give it a new prompt. I want to create a new game. It's all about speed and reaction time, period. When I click start, I want you to show random shapes on the screen, and I need to be able to get my mouse cursor over the item to shoot it. When I click on the item, I want you to give a reaction time score for each shape, period. I want the shapes to be different sizes, shapes, colors. Point of the game is to be fast. I also want it to get progressively more difficult. All right, so let's just see what it does. This is like simple prompt. I'm just gonna put that in there. That's it. And let's see what this thing can vibe code. I think these types of games are really good for reaction time and also control on your mouse. So I do think that there's a place for this. It's good for focus, it's good for accuracy, and of course, speed and reaction time whenever you need to draw that weapon. So normally whenever I do any type of no code, I have to create a PRD, which is a product requirement document, because I need all the details. I'm pushing Rosebud here and see what it can come up with just me just talking about what I want without giving it any direction. So I kind of want to see how creative it's going to get, how detailed it's going to get. So again, this is prompt 1. If I was doing this for a real game, if I was building this on another tool, I would definitely create a full detailed breakdown of what I want. So very curious to see what it does. Wow, there's no way it's already done, right? All right, here's version 1 of our game. Let's see how this works. Oh, wow, okay. There we go. All the logic is there. It works. It's pretty boring, but that's not the point. The point is, can it actually code a game? It does work. Oh, wow, it's getting actually really difficult. Game over, 25. But then you can also remix. So check out this game right here. This is a first-person shooter that actually works and looks amazing. Look at that, right? I can shoot, play, do everything, but I can also go in and remix, and now it will bring in this game, import this game, and now I can actually customize it to be whatever I want. So let's give it a quick prompt. Can you switch the ball that's being shot to a laser beam with an animation neon laser beam? Also, can you add some enemies? And when I shoot the laser into my enemy, they explode with particle effects. And just like that, we've taken a game that we found and we can now customize it to our own needs. This platform is fun as hell. I'm probably not going to get much work done over the next couple days because I definitely see that this could get really addicting. There's hundreds of games in here. There's some really talented people creating 3D games, and it all works. Like, I remember when vibe coding was first starting. Okay, there's no way I already did it. Oh my God, it actually works. Hold on. Make the laser beam much thicker. All right, new laser beam is in. There it is. Look at that, guys. Wow. Okay, let's add some enemies. And that'll be our last step. So let's see, target small gibs into the asset. Yeah, let's do it. Some enemies. I'm actually coding up another one as we speak. Every genre. There's 3D, horror, VR, Web3, RPG, puzzle games. I mean, you name it, they're all in here. And you guys could check it out at Rosebud.ai. I can't wait to see what you guys create using Rosebud, because I'm actually really impressed by the level of quality and the amount of games that are actually being done. All vibe coded, no code. All right, let's see if it works. Now we should have particle effects. We should have explosions. Oh, that is sweet. This is really crazy. I can't believe this is totally vibe coded, and where this has come from in the last couple months, where this would take you hours to do if you even knew how to do it. But now you can literally do it with one click and remix it using this platform. All right, let's give it one more. I want you now to add moving targets, put 20 on the screen, and when I hit them, keep score, and give me a 30-second countdown and a game over screen if I don't hit all 30 within 30 seconds. Let's see how it does with some game logic. So now we're going to add a bunch of different stuff on the screen. We're going to be able to have full logic. So I'm actually curious to see how it handles this. There's a lot going on. But as you can see, it works. It really does work. So I can't wait to see what you guys create. This is just a quick pop-in to show you what this Rosebud.ai platform can do. They have a great Discord too. I went in there just to kind of see what it was like, and they're continuously developing this. So it looks like a legit project, not just some like one-off. Okay, oh, we got some movement, and there's our clock. So there's our timer. Oh, this is gonna be actually very difficult. All right, so let's make it a little easier. Make the objects 3 times the size and start the clock, period. And when the clock hits 0, I should get a game over screen with a final score. All right, final round, game, a logic, game. Let's get this going. All right. Oh shit, clock's going. We gotta focus here. Oh, there's no way I'm getting past that. But as you can see, full logic, 1, 2 prompts. This is very, very impressive. Let's see if we get the game over screen. Oh, yep, there it is. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that. Just a quick video. I wanted to pop in, show you the platform, and vibe code some games. I'm gonna definitely have spend much more time on this. There's some crazy stuff in here, and I look forward to seeing what you guys create. Put the links in the comment section when you guys do use it, and have fun. Go out there, vibe code some good stuff. Look at this. We got 007 right here. People are creating some pretty incredible games. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.